Fresh aromatic herbs, probably one of the most important things you can use in your kitchen. Keep them fresh in a damp kitchen towel or even kitchen paper in your fridge, and then just take them out when you want to use them. Fresh herbs are usually finely chopped or cut into long thin stripes and spread all over the plate in your final dish. Flat leaf parsley, you have to wash carefully because you have to get rid of all the grits. And then just put away your stems. Don't put them too far away because you will need them later. Gather all the leaves in your hand, make a little bunch and start cutting. Small steps with the left hands going away from the path of the knife. Try to keep all the leaves together and go ahead. With flat leaves herbs, if you're not happy with the size of whatever you cut first time, there's no problem to chop them again and give them what French call haché. Remember from cutting the onion in the beginning, just keep your left palm on the upper side of your blade so that you keep it steady on the board and go around on the semicircle, cutting and chopping your parsley. Always be careful with the tip of your knife because you don't want it to prick your palm. So go ahead. There are people saying that you do this, all the juices of the parsley will come out on the board. I'm not sure about that. Flat leaves herbs are not that juicy. No, you cannot do this with chives because those have to be cut one time and very fine from the very beginning. But these, it's really fine. If you want it really small, go ahead and chop it until you're happy. In a gremolata or tabbouleh, you can never have your parsley too small. So give it an effort, give it some time, and keep chopping. Just look at how fine it is. You can use it on top of your dish or wherever you need it. Fresh basil, another flat leaf herb packed with flavor and with a great smell. We're going to cut it into chiffonade, and for that we need to pick it leaf by leaf in order to put one on top of the other, just like this. Make a little roll and finally cut them in stripes. Chiffonade is normally used at the end of plating for a final touch of color and taste. With the leaves rolled around each other, we slowly start cutting, trying to obtain long, even stripes. Just imagine them, everybody will see them on the plate, so that we have to give a bit of an effort. Use them on pasta or on any other kind of tomato juice dish. They are simply beautiful and they taste lovely.